we see how Israeli border security officials were actually able to apprehend a garbage truck at the Samaria border crossing. Now, let's watch the footage. You will not believe what they found. Check that out. Check how many people are packed into that garbage truck. Unbelievable. Now, just for context, reports have surfaced saying that over 60 Palestinians were actually found in this garbage truck attempting to be smuggled into Israel. I mean, just think about that. If the Israeli police weren't as sharp as they are, and they didn't decide to lift the back compactor of the garbage truck, they would have never known this. And all of these people would have managed to get smuggled into Israel.